If you're new to lash extensions and you're struggling to master the classic technique, I'm going to break it down for you step by step. By the end of this video, you will feel confident enough to practice on your own. Today, I will show you how to train with a mannequin head and share the few tips you need to get started. This is Ciula Lash and I am Monica here to guide you through it. Now, let's dive in. Now we will start with the lesson on attaching faux lashes on mannequin. On practicing lashes, here we will use glue and a ring to hold the glue. We will shake the glue. I have shaken the glue enough already. I will pour the glue into the ring. You need to pour 1 drop of the glue. Then you need to use a dry tissue to clean the mouth of the glue bottle before closing it and storing it in a nice jar or Ziploc bag. The ring should be worn on your index finger like this. Some people wear it on their thumb. For me, I used to wearing it on my index finger, so I will wear it there. You should practice and wear it on whichever finger you feel the most comfortable with. There's no need to force it. With your non-dominant hand, left hand, you will use tweezers to separate the lashes. With your dominant hand, you will pick up the lashes. To pick up the lashes is similar to when you practice on paper. You will grab the eyelashes. Let's agree that for the few lashes, you can discard them. You can grab the next lashes and throw the first few ones away. After picking up the lashes, you will separate them with your left hand. The separating movement is like this. You insert the tweezers and separate. Keep practicing this movement. Now we will learn how to attach the lashes. The first step is to pick up the lashes with your right hand. The second step is to separate the lashes. To make it easier, practice with the one that seems easiest to you. First, we will attach to the center of the faux lashes. After separating them like this, we will dip them in glue. Remember to dip the glue following the method you learned on paper, or if you need a video on that skill, just comment down below. Dip the glue and move it in the right directions. Then apply it to the fake lash by sliding it over and hold it. Count 1, 2, 3, then release the tweezers. Please note that the base of lash you just attached should be about 1 to 0.7 millimeter away from the black tape line. The distance should be very small, just a little. Now the lash should be firmly in place. We will continue attaching the next lash by repeating the steps. First, pick up the lash. Second, separate the lash. When separating the next lash, be careful not to separate it too close to the lash you just attached. Leave it a little space, just around like 0.5 or even 1 centimeter. This is to ensure when you open the tweezers, the lash you are separating doesn't touch the one you just attached. This avoids disturbing the lash you just applied, since it might still not have fully dry or set. Now we will separate the next lash. Dip it in glue and place it. Place it above, beside, below, it doesn't matter. Hold for 1, 2, 3, then release the tweezers. Repeat the process for the next lash. That is a procedure for attaching the lashes. You will continue doing this until you have attached all the lashes from beginning to the end of the last strip. Just keep going until you have finished, but be careful to ensure that the base of each lash at least 1 millimeter away from the black tape. line to avoid touching the customer's skin. When practicing on a practice lash, be very careful and proceed. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this experience shared by Ciula Lash Master team helps you. Don't miss the next video. Please click in the circle in the middle of the screen to subscribe or check out the video on the left side of the screen. Goodbye and see you in the next video.